All right, guys, I'm back today, and we have a drag race between a Mach-E. This is a premium with the extended range motor and the all-wheel drive. This has 346 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque. And next to me is a Mustang EcoBoost. It's tuned, and I have Jacob here. He can tell you all the power figures because this is his car. So go ahead, Jacob, tell him what you have.
Okay, so the 10-speed automatic, CVF street intercooler, K&N air filter, and a Pro Tune from a Pro Tuner.
All right.
Through my Cobb Access port.
And his car weighs about 3,500 pounds. And since this is an EV, this weighs, he said, about 4,800 pounds. So that's the only downside I have. I probably make more power, but he definitely has a weight advantage on me. But I have an all-wheel drive advantage. So I'm going to go in here and turn off traction control. All right, Jacob, whenever you are ready.
Mark, just go on the third honk.
Okay, you go.
You can honk.
No, you do it. I don't want to screw this up. You do it.
Okay.
I'm surprised. I started late. I started late too. All right. You ready?
Well, just make it good. Okay, on the third honk.
All right, so I can confidently say for the first miles an hour, you're getting gapped. And then around start pulling me back in. I think that's a fair assumption to say. All right, guys, so there are the results. That's pretty typical for this segment. EV cars definitely have the advantage off the line, but gas cars have the top speed advantage. I knew the Mach-E was going to take it for the first half of that race, but then the EcoBoost just came up like the gas cars do. If we would have kept going for the entire mile and a half that road was, then the EcoBoost Mustang would have won. The next race is going to be the Mach-E GT versus the normal Mustang GT, which will be a fun video. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more content from us, go ahead to our channel and hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you all in the next video.